Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Microsoft Teams with Outlook for scheduling. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. On the left side of the screen, we have the activity, we have the community, the chat, and the calendar. In the bottom left corner, we have the invite to Teams and the search bar in the very top of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Microsoft Teams with Outlook for scheduling. So integrating Microsoft Teams with Outlook for scheduling is a seamless way to manage your meetings efficiently. First, open the Outlook and click on File, then Options, and then Add-ins. Select COM Add-ins in the Manage drop-down menu, and then click Go. Check the box for Microsoft Teams Meeting Add-in for Microsoft Office and click OK. Then open the Outlook and switch to the Calendar view. Click on New Teams Meeting. This will open a new meeting invite where you can add the meeting details, attendance, and other information. Use the scheduling assistant to find a time that works for everyone. This feature allows you to complete schedule and avoid conflicts. Then once you filled in the details, click Send to send a meeting invitation. The meeting will be scheduled in both Outlook and Teams. You can join the meeting from either Teams or Outlook. Click on the meeting link in either app to start the meeting. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye, guys.